Ecosystems matter. So if you're a CEO, think about the innovation that you want to bring about and really forge the right partnerships, the right alliances, and really bring the right tech together for your organization. I think it's a fascinating time to be working at BCG because we can help our clients orchestrate what, on the face of it, is a bewildering tech stack. You have the cloud providers and the hyperscalers, you have the data players, you have the frontier labs and the large language models, and you have a whole host of applications. There are so many choices, and there's such a focus on being able to deliver AI impact and transformation, and you can't do it alone. Client value is our North Star. Everything stems from that. And so we back solve from what's going to deliver the greatest client value and find the right technology solution, including the right ecosystem partners to assemble on behalf of a client. BCG has a reputation for being an incredibly innovative company. Innovation in and of itself is not the end. Innovation is sometimes what is a byproduct, but client value really is the starting point.